Confused between toner and essence? You're not alone. Let's break it down, once and for all. Welcome to Glow Rituals. Glow naturally, one step at a time. Toner is your skin's prep step, removing leftover impurities and balancing pH. Essence is the hydration hero, boosting moisture and prepping your skin for deeper absorption. Toner preps. Essence treats. One cleans and balances, the other nourishes and revitalizes. Use toner right after cleansing. Follow with essence for deeper hydration and better product absorption. Now you know, both are essential, but for very different reasons. Follow Glow Rituals for more Kbeauty truths. See you on the next video.